Hey guys, so welcome to the next video. This one is pretty simple, short and sweet. It is how to add a title to your movie. So this is your title menu, and as you can see, iMovie has a whole bunch that you can, and the same with the transitions. You can demo them as if you just drag your mouse over it. So we are going to just add a transition in here, which whoops. Perfect. And then, of course, same as the other ones, this is how you lengthen it, lengthen or shorten it. And you can add titles in a couple of different ways. So first, you can have it be just its own thing, right? Then there's another option, and of course we had the transition there. There is also another option of laying it on top of an existing piece of content. So we'll show that. Obviously, that's a little busy, but it is what it is. And then lastly, you can have it be like an end credit. And of course, there are like technical kind of ending credits, but you can do the title at the end with the transition. Yeah. So that is how you can use titles in your movie. All right, see you on the next one.